I am prepared to give you an opportunity to express how you feel, because it struck me that it's important for you to be in a space with Errol that he gets a chance to hear your response and why, valid or not, you are so angry with him. But I will not have threats in my court ever. Do you understand? Do you understand, madam?
I do.
And so you'll apologise to me for making a threat, and I'm afraid to Errol for making a threat in my courtroom.
I apologise, Judge Rinder, and I apologise, Errol.
After all of this, I am a little bit surprised because of the way that you frame your case. Do you still have feelings for Jenny?
You can't just turn off feelings.
You what? What did you say? Do you still feel for her? Errol, what does it do to you to be here?
Didn't want to be here.
You didn't want to be here?
No. No benefit. None.
Do you love Jenny?
You saw. Yeah, you saw.
I know Errol. I know him better than any one of you in this room. That is all made up. I'm not even going to look at you because I know what you're like already, so I know that's not even real. You couldn't even answer whether you liked me or not. Whether you can't answer it because you know you never did. You never did. You lied to me from day one, Errol. You need to tell them the truth. Tell them you cheated on me. Tell them the truth. Be a man.
Talking, Errol, I have one last... Be quiet. I have one last question for you. Errol, look at me. During the course of these proceedings, something has emerged which I have not dealt with, discussed or explored with my clerks, but I'm perfectly satisfied is a correct question to ask you. In the course of these proceedings, I've been given information that your house was bugged without your consent. Would you like to include and or amend your claim for trespass to your property, sir?
I just want this...
Look at me, sir. This is an opportunity. It may give you an indication, Jenny, as towards his feelings towards you, and more importantly, how utterly reasonable he's prepared to be. Errol, in the course of these proceedings, I am satisfied that somebody has trespassed into your property and secretly recorded you. Would you like to amend your application to include an application against Jenny for damages for what she did by covertly recording you? Yes or no? Let me help you. The value of that claim could be, as far as I'm concerned, up to £1,000. Would you like to amend your application, yes or no?
I just want this sorted, Judge.
The answer is no, then.
No, I just want this sorted.
Up to you, sir. Up to you.
I'm not interested in it.
Errol, Jenny, despite the fact that there were very shoddy foundations, you decided to stand as a guarantor for a loan to Jenny. That makes you, in law, responsible. You didn't generate a collateral. That's a separate agreement, making clear that in the event that she didn't pay her instalments, and she paid several, you would be coming after her separately from the loan company. Even if I had found that you did have an enforceable contract, I would be unsatisfied because you've not been able to provide me with sufficient evidence that all of the £5,000 was handed over to Jenny in any event. Even though, sir, I suspect very strongly that it was. For those reasons, I'm afraid, sir, I have to dismiss your case. In respect of the engagement ring, years ago, that used to be something that one could enforce. Sadly, in law, when you gave her that ring, it was a gift. Your application to this court is dismissed. But I'll be clear, some of the behaviour in this case, Jenny, has been deeply shocking. And at some point, somebody's going to have to convince you that Errol might just be telling the truth. Case dismissed.
Okay.
Errol's case was dismissed and he was awarded nothing by the court. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
All he's done in my life is tell me lies. I didn't suddenly get up one morning and decide, oh, Errol's cheating on me. I didn't. That's ridiculous. I heard it.
You know, Jennifer, you know, I just wish her the best with her life, really. I'm going to move forward.
You nearly ruined me as a person, and when I'm a strong person. But I'll tell you something, right? Your lies will catch up with you, right? If they don't know it now, they will know it later on. Do I go this way? Thank you, everyone.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.